Hello everyone, welcome back to another weekly savings challenge and dividend portfolio update. Let's go straight to the video. As mentioned in my last video, I will be starting a new savings challenge, which is an emergency fund savings challenge. Now that I have started working a proper full-time job, I will be having a more stable monthly income and I can save a little bit more than what I have saved in the past. So as you can see here, my goal is to save around 1,000 ringgit in 6 months. To determine how much we have to set aside this week, let's put in the random between 1 to 26 formula here and see what number we will get. Okay, we got a number 13. This means that we have to save 39 ringgit this week. I have set aside this 39 ringgit in an app called May by Maybank. In this new app, there is a tabung feature for me to separate my savings according to my goals. For my international viewers, tabung means piggy bank. So based on this chart here, we have another 1,014 ringgit to go. Now, let's move on to the Trading 212 dividend portfolio update. Many things happened last week, so please bear with me. On Monday, I bought 0.1 shares of Bank of America to take advantage of the ex-dividend date. Then, I deposited another $5 and bought 0.052 of Grifols. This is to take advantage of Grifols' ex-dividend date as well. Then, I bought a really small amount of Moderna because they are pretty expensive now and I don't want to increase the average price per share too much. Next, I got myself more of Stack Industrial. This is one of the 3 companies in my portfolio that are still in the red. So, I am buying more as an attempt to lower down the average price per share. On Wednesday, I finally sold my Coca-Cola, earning a capital gain of 51 cents. I used that money to buy my favorite company, Waste Management. I have been eyeing this company for quite some time and I finally took the leap and started to invest in them. I think a company of this business model is quite stable regardless of the global economic condition. The following day, Visor kicked off my December dividends earnings by paying 3 cents and followed by LTC Properties, which paid me 5 cents. My portfolio closed at $135.56, up by 7.82%. My biggest winner last week was still Moderna, up by 66.2% since I started investing in them. It was much higher actually, but because I bought another 0.01 shares just now, the average price per share increased tremendously. The runner-up was JP Morgan, up by 29.19%. We got a new biggest loser last week and it was Tech Industrial, which was down by 3.86%. Please take note that anything mentioned in this video is not a financial advice and my videos are for entertainment purposes only. Please seek professional advice from certified advisors before starting to invest your hard-earned money. Every investment has its own risk, especially in this uncertain time. Moving on to our last agenda, let's see which company has an ex-dividend date next week. Let me reset this real quick. Click on Dividends Tools and get upcoming dividends. I learned how to do this Google Sheet listing from a fellow YouTuber called Investing Sensei. I will link the video tutorials on how to come up with this dividend tracker on the top right corner if you guys are interested and want to track dividends from your favorite companies. Head on to his channel and show some support. Next week, Johnson & Johnson and Chevron will be paying out their dividends. I think I still can get my dividend portion from Chevron even though I have sold them off because the ex-dividend date was on the 17th of November and I sold them on 18th of November. As for the ex-dividend date, we still have the chance to invest more in Medical Properties Trust or MPW. I think that is all for today's video. Don't forget to drop a like on this video and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next week. Be safe and take care.